Fixing serialization and deserialization issues with abstract base classes in C# using JSON. The problem: losing payload data when serializing inheritance hierarchies. When working with JSON serialization in C#, having an abstract base class or interface as a generic parameter for payloads can cause issues. Specifically, serializers like Newtonsoft.Json or System.Text.Json cannot instantiate interface or abstract types during deserialization. This results in runtime errors and incomplete serialized data. Common error. This error occurs because the deserializer encounters an abstract type or interface, iServiceable bus payload, without knowing which concrete class to instantiate. The scenario: suppose you have an abstract base class serviceable bus event T with a generic payload of type T, an interface iServiceable bus payload implemented by concrete payload types, a concrete event class test event inheriting from serviceable bus event iServiceable bus payload. Here, the payload property type is the interface iServiceable bus payload, so the serializer cannot infer the actual concrete payload type. The solution: use concrete payload types in generic inheritance. Instead of inheriting from serviceable bus event iServiceable bus payload, make your concrete event class inherit from serviceable bus event test event payload. This way, the payload type is explicitly known. With this change, the serializer knows the exact type to use for the payload. Deserialization works without errors. The full payload data is retained in serialization. Additional tips: avoid using interface or abstract types directly in serialized properties. Always serialize concrete classes. If polymorphic deserialization is needed, consider using custom converters or libraries that support interface serialization, but that adds complexity. Use consistent JSON naming conventions and serializer settings, camel case, enum handling, to ensure clean JSON. Summary. Problem: serializing/deserializing a generic class with an abstract/interface type loses information or causes errors. Key fix: replace abstract/interface type parameters with concrete implementations when inheriting, so the serializer can instantiate the correct types. This simple design adjustment aligns with how JSON serializers function and avoids runtime exceptions. By making your generic base class parameter a specific concrete type, your serialization and deserialization will work seamlessly with Newtonsoft.Json and System.Text.Json.